it's Christina at Christina's Crafts. I have a simple one for you today. So what I'm going to be using is this vase that I got. I believe I got it from Dollar Tree. I am not 100% sure, but I think I did. And I'm going to be using this wallpaper that I got from Dollar Tree also. So what I'm going to do is I am going to wrap my vase in this wallpaper. Now I'm not exactly 100% sure how I'm going to get this on here, or especially straight, but I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm just going to start off by standing it up and then pushing it on here. And I'm hoping it's going to be straight. And then I'm just going to start... I'll try to get the bubbles out as much as possible. And I'm just gonna start peeling it. So I'm just peeling the back here, and then I'm just gonna start pushing it on there. And taking my time, hopefully. So it's nice and straight and I don't have a bunch of bubbles. So I'm just gonna go all the way around this and do the best I can to get it on there nice and straight. Okay, so I got all the way around, and then I just cut a little bit off the back. The back's I don't have it looking perfect. It's not the best, but I mean I'm gonna put it on a shelf going this way anyways. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take a razor blade here, and I am just gonna cut or slice it right towards the top here. I don't want it going folded into the vase. So I'm just taking my razor blade and I'm going to cut this top off here. It is going to look a little choppy, but I am going to do something else with that so you won't be able to see that. Alright, so it is all wrapped. It looks pretty cute. I don't know, I kind of like this. I saw that paper at Dollar Tree and I really wanted to find something to do with it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take some Mod Podge, because I don't quite like that. I mean, the paper's so shiny, and I think if I put a layer of Mod Podge on there, it won't be as shiny. It'll be kind of matted down a little bit. So I'm going to take my matte Mod Podge and just put a layer of the Mod Podge on the wallpaper, just so it's not so shiny. Kind of dull it down a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and let it dry, and then I will be back to show you what I'm going to do. So I have the Mod Podge on there, and I was taking my heat gun to it to dry the Mod Podge, and I'm getting some wrinkles in there. I don't know, you probably can't see it. I got bad lighting tonight, but there are wrinkles in here, but I think I'm just gonna go with it because I don't think it looks that bad with the wrinkles. I should have what I should have done is I should have used Mod Podge on top of the adhesive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep using my heat gun to dry this, and if I get more wrinkles, then I don't know, I think it'll be fine. Just gives it a little extra class. Okay, so next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to take some of this Dollar Tree burlap ribbon that I have here, and that is going to go along the bottom and the top of my vase here. So I'm just going to start from the back. I'm just using my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to attach it to the bottom so you can't see the paper at the bottom here. So I'm just going to go around like this all the way around the bottom. Okay, I have the bottom one done, and now I'm going to go ahead and put the top one on. I'm going to go right up, maybe just a little tad above the paper. Just a little bit. Use my finger. Okay, I have that done, then I'm just gonna take my lighter and burn a few of these little fringes off of here. Try not to go too crazy because I don't want to burn my wallpaper here. My hands don't work so good anymore. So just burning that off around there. Okay, now that my base is all done, the last thing I'm gonna do, and this is super simple, I got one of these lights from Dollar Tree, these little push lights, and I'm just gonna stick that in my vase here. And then I have some of these, I think this might be lamb's ear, not 100% sure, but some flowers my daughter gave me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these flowers in the vase, and then when I want the light on, I just use the stem to turn the light on. So I'm just gonna stick these in here for right now. It would be a lot nicer if I had maybe some blue flowers to put in here, but this is all I have for right now. So I'm just gonna go with this, but that's pretty much it. That is the whole craft. It's super simple. I'm gonna turn the lights off here real quick and let you see. Well, I still have my big lights on, but I turned my little lights on or off, but that's what it looks like. It does look a little weird at the bottom. I maybe should have put something a little bit thicker down at the bottom, but I think it actually looks really cool. And then when you want to turn the light off, you just arrange your flowers here and hit the little button. There we go. And turn them off. And you can just leave it like that. But I think I'm definitely going to find some different flowers for this because I'm just not a fan of these flowers in here, or these branches or lamb's ear or whatever the heck they're called. But that's it. It is all finished. Well, I just want to say that I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And, you know, I was going to say too, you could use, you know, something smaller. You just have to make sure, you know, shorter. You just have to make sure that it's big enough to put one of those push lights in. But yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I would love it if you like the video and share it and subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I upload. And take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.